So this is exactly how to adjust your Toyota Hilux headlights. So what you need to do is to focus on the driving side here. As you can see, this is where you need to focus on. So firstly, you're going to open up the door from the driver position here, as you can see, so where the steering wheel is. So you're going to open up that specific door, and then you're going to look for something like this, as you can see. So if I zoom in, this is basically how it looks in general, this little switch right here that actually adjusts your headlights. So what you need to do, we're going to grab one of those screwdrivers here, as you can see, and quite often you will need to insert it right here and then turn them to the right to be able to increase and to the left to be able to decrease. Quite often it is like that. Sometimes you actually have to do it on the other side instead. It depends on what type of model that you have exactly and what year, of course. But it often looks like this. And it's not always here that your screwdriver needs to be inserted. You need to check for your specific model exactly how it looks. Then some of you will have this little switcher instead. If you do, then you're quite lucky, because the only thing you need to do then is to just, you like screw it up or switch it up, sorry, to be able to increase the headlights and down to be able to decrease them instead. And basically that is exactly how to do this.